Okay, Stump the egg bag grinder here. We're starting out a week with one sale. I sold this. It's a radio controlled car. I don't have the control with it. I sold it as is because I have no way of being able to test it. It's a Bugatti Veyron 16.4 grand Sport, and it's in pretty good shape. If somebody, I assume the guy either buying it to put it in his collection or he thinks he's got the controller, but it's a jam up looking car. Anyway, sold that for $16.99. Hoping the sales will continue, and if they do, you'll see me right here. Also today, I also sold a pair of these women's Durango boots. They're size 9. Got zipper sides. You can see the bottoms are in excellent condition, and got little buckles on the side. I sold these for, actually holding them wrong, they probably go like this. I sold these for, took off for $25 plus shipping and handling. These are Durangos. And I do got some, I always put paper in the bottom to keep them from getting mashed too bad. And hopefully the hits will just keep on coming. Hey guys, another item I sold. And it's already wrapped up in this box. There is 16 Barbies and clothes, and there's actually 18. I put 2 more in for free. But I don't have no pictures to take. I'll try to see if I can come up with some, because I've had them on a while. I relisted them this morning and took them off last night and relisted them this morning a different way, and somebody offered me $50 on them. So I took it plus shipping and handling. I did lower the shipping and handling down to $9.99 because I was wanting to get rid of these. Nothing wrong with them, but I've had them. Weigh 7 pounds, 9 ounces, going to Delaware, so I'm pretty sure I'll be paying part of the shipping, which is fine. And hopefully I can come up with some kind of a picture. I think I've erased all the pictures. Like I said, I've had these a while. But so far this week I've had 3 sales, and I've already grossed $91. So hopefully it'll keep on. 2 more items I've sold this week. I sold this Lego Duplo, however you say it. It's a Batman cave and car, 33 pieces. This one only has 26, I think it's 7 short or whatever pieces in it. That is in the description, but it does have the couple of the characters, and it does have the Batmobile. Sold this for, took offer on it for $19.99 plus shipping and handling. And also sold this West Virginia tag, novelty tag, West Virginia with a bird on there. Sold that for $10.99 plus shipping and handling. And so far this week hasn't been better than the last 3 weeks, I think. So hope it keeps rolling. Did have another sale today. It's this RUF Florida State University Cup. I'm not sure what the RUF stands for. UF probably stands for University of Florida. It's marked on the bottom as some kind of ceramic cup. Can't really read it, it's marked right there. But sold this for $10.99. Will be shipped out in the morning. And I hope the sales keep on coming. Well, I've also sold this pretty necktie here. You can see it. It's actually, take my glasses off for a minute. It's actually Donald J. Trump. It's a Donald J. Trump signature collection tie. There's his thing right there. He's been in the news, so I guess somebody wanted to buy a tie. Matches my shirt. Let me fold it. Yeah. There y'all can see a little bit better. Sold this for $14.99 plus shipping and handling. It's the only Donald J. Trump tie I've got. It is, let's see, it's made in China. Imagine that. Handmade in China. So imagine that. Anyway, we're getting toward the end of the week, so let the hits keep on going. Hi gang, today is Saturday the 10th. This is the wrap-up video for this week. I've had 7 sales, totaling $188.90. My eBay fees came to $23.03. My shipping came to $48.21. Let's see, which left approximately $117.66. My cost came to roughly $40, which left me a profit of right around $75 to $79. It's a better week I've had in the last probably 4 weeks. I hope the trend keeps on going up. May not, but for me, that's a pretty good week. I grind it out. So, I hope y'all watched the video, and if you did, I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Either way, hit the like button and the little bell. It helps all of us.
Excellent.